So today's observation, I don't know if you can see, but my eyelashes are starting to grow back. They fell out due to the blepharitis, which was triggered by wearing the mask, which is sponsored by COVID-19. Yes, you heard it from me. It triggered an autoimmune disorder that I have in my eyes, and I haven't had a flare-up in 6 or 8 years, so totally not thrilled. I have some masks behind me, and I'm in the salon alone, so don't be all paranoid. Oh my God, she's not wearing a mask. Whatever. I have peace knowing I am being productive and getting work done in my downtime. It's 5 minutes to quitting time here. And I plan to go home in a few minutes, so not going to be one of those people that wear it in the car. To me, that's just ridiculous. And if you're one of those people, sorry, I laugh at you if I'm in the next vehicle. Not to be mean, I just am amused easily, I guess. I try to find the humor in everything, so if you can do that, life is much more bearable. So I'm thrilled. I have a peace knowing my eyelashes are growing back in, and life is good. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.